Hey guys, today, let's learn how to unlock your Facebook profile. So if in the case that you have locked your Facebook profile, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go and teach you guys how to unlock this. So this is going to be pretty easy guys, because what we need to do is to proceed with tapping on the menus right here, and then tapping on your names. Next from here, I went to proceed with tapping on your three dots, and you should see the option to unlock your profile right here. Now to do so, basically, the lock profile option is gonna be located right here on this section. And the same goes with the unlock profile option. All we need to do is tap on the unlock profile option to successfully unlock our profile and follow the on-screen instructions. And it's that easy guys. That is essentially all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.